7.1 magnitude earthquake strikes southern Japan, tsunami warning issued. The Kyushu region appeared to have escaped major damage after a magnitude 7.1 earthquake struck off the coast of Miyazaki Prefecture on Thursday, causing a small number of injuries and triggering a first-ever alert over the risk of a megaquake along the Nankai Trough. The quake left at least 16 people injured, with 2 of those severely hurt, according to figures from the Fire and Disaster Management Agency as of 2 p.m. Friday. 3 residential buildings, all located in Kagoshima Prefecture, suffered damage, with 1 totally collapsed, the agency said. The quake, which registered a lower 6 on the 7-point Japanese seismic intensity scale, occurred at 4:43 p.m. at a depth of 30 kilometers, with its epicenter in the Hyaganada Sea off the coast of Miyazaki Prefecture. The meteorological agency initially issued a tsunami advisory for parts of Kyushu and Shikoku, but only small waves were recorded, and the alert was lifted by 10 p.m. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida speaks to reporters at the Prime Minister's office on Thursday following a major earthquake in the Kyushu region. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida speaks to reporters at the Prime Minister's office on Thursday following a major earthquake in the Kyushu region. JIJI. Despite the moderate damage, the jolt prompted fears of more disasters to come after the weather agency issued its first-ever alert on a possible megaquake along the Nankai Trough. The alert, which does not mean a quake will necessarily strike, is expected to be in place for at least a week pending further investigation. Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshimasa Hayashi said Friday that the government is closely monitoring the situation in cooperation with local authorities, urging the public to continue their day-to-day activities while exercising caution against disinformation. Prime Minister Fumio Kishida cancelled his trip to Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Mongolia on Friday to prioritize the government's disaster response measures, soon after he attended the ceremony marking the 79th anniversary of the U.S. atomic bombing of Nagasaki in the morning. Utilities in Kyushu and Shikoku reported no impact to their nuclear plants in the region. Small leaks from 37 petroleum tanks were reported at hazardous materials facilities in the towns of Higashikushira and Kimatsuki in Kagoshima Prefecture, but no further leakage is expected, according to the FDMA. Central Japan Railway announced the suspension of some of its express trains in response to the Nankai megaquake alert. In addition, the Takedo Shinkansen line will operate at reduced speed between Mishima and Mikawayanjo stations, resulting in at least 10-minute delays while the alert is in effect.